Humanity is sitting on a ticking time bomb. If the vast majority of the world's scientists are right, we have just 10 years to avert a major catastrophe that could send our entire planet into a tailspin of epic destruction, involving extreme weather, floods, droughts, epidemics, and killer heat waves beyond anything we have ever experienced. The words of Nobel Peace Prize winner Al Gore. Everywhere in the world we have recklessly broken the long-standing laws of nature, overburdening and depleting our natural resources, burning excessive amounts of fossil fuels, leading to huge rises in carbon emissions and global warming. So, is this what our future holds? Is this the legacy we leave to our children? In many parts of our world, householders are making progress. Recycling has, for some people, become a way of life and is making a difference. The next challenge is to reduce the household waste that ends up in the country's already overstretched landfill sites. And one way is for us to tackle the problem of food waste at home.
In the UK, we produce around 6.7 million tonnes of food waste every year, and 20% of that is food that we purchase and it just goes straight in the bin. For example, 4.4 million apples every day uneaten into our bins. Here in Guildford, we produce around 12,500 tonnes of food waste every year, and we need to do something about that.
There are a number of ways to significantly reduce the amount of untouched food waste. The consumer could be encouraged to plan their meals and only buy what is necessary. Supermarkets could discourage promotions on perishable products, such as buy one, get one free, and householders could be encouraged to treat food waste at home wherever possible.
One thing that residents can do is to use a food waste digester. We've been promoting these to our residents in Guildford for many years now, and we estimate that we're collecting 2,500 tonnes less every year.
The most popular and successful food waste digesters are the Greencone and the Green Johanna. These two unique systems deal with the food waste produced in the family home. The Greencone will take almost any food waste, such as cooked or uncooked meat, fish, bones, dairy product, vegetables and fruit. It accelerates the natural process of turning food waste into water and carbon dioxide with a minimal residue. In other words, the Greencone eats the food you don't. The Green Johanna offers a different solution. By mixing food waste with garden waste, it produces a rich compost all the year round. But how do we know they actually work? The answer is, these two simple devices are the results of years of detailed research, as well as extensive consumer testing. They are already being used with great success by householders all around the world. Dr. Alan Knipe, a top environment consultant, concludes that the most economical and environmentally friendly way of dealing with food waste is home treatment using a food waste digester. It follows that local authorities could significantly reduce the cost of food waste management. So, the choice is simple. Continue to overburden our scarce resources or recycle our own waste. If each and every one of us throws our own food waste into our own food waste digester, not only are we helping the environment, but we are securing the future for our children. It's so simple, even a child can do it. Together, we can make a difference.